guys, Luan from ReveMoto, your paint auto body parts store. Today we're going to be working on 2008 Toyota 4Runner front bumper removal and installation due to damage on the right side of the bumper. Alright. So a couple tools you're going to need on this one is going to be a 10mm socket wrench and also a flathead screwdriver. So first I want to go ahead and open up the hood. And then as always, we're going to start off from the bottom and work our way up. So on the bottom of the bumper is going to be a 10mm screw. So it's going to be along this bottom side. We're going to start off right here. Alright, so it looks like we got like 9 to 10 screws to take off from the bottom. Okay. Alright, so on the side of the bumper, right along the fender liners, you're going to use the same 10mm socket wrench. Take off the extension. You're going to move this screw right here. Then use the, go ahead and put the extension back on the socket. Right in here, in this little hole right here, it's going to be another 10mm screw. Go. So we're going to repeat that process on the other side. This one we're having a little difficulty because the bracket's already broken. So let's see if we can get it out. So the screw's not coming out, but when I pull the bumper out, it should come right off. Alright, so Since this bracket right here is broken, we're gonna go ahead and leave it alone because once we pull the bumper off, the bracket will come right off with the bumper. On this one right here, this usually push pins, but this guy's missing it. We're gonna run over to the dealership, get him a new bracket, and also get him a new push pins and put this car back together. But when you remove these, you can go ahead and go to one side of the bumper, pull it, to the other side, pull it. So be careful with the fog light, support the bumper. Let me try to break this other bracket back down. It's not releasing the bumper. Bracket right here is broken, not letting us take off the screw. Remember to support the bumper, and then right here. So this one has a fog light. Go ahead and take this off. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts, go to www.revemoto.com. If you guys like this video, go and subscribe to us. If you guys go ahead and turn on that push notification to get more videos from us. We usually do a weekly video. Thank you guys.